Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the model and immediately saving a new file so you can roll back if needed. Once done, display View Origin so the triad is visible. This gives you a visual reference. Next, pick the origin you will move, either the global origin via the feature tree or a sketch point you intend to align. Make sure to enable any required planes and set the selection filter to points or origins so you avoid grabbing faces by mistake. You now execute the actual repositioning by using Move/Copy bodies for parts or the Move feature inside a sketch. This lets you translate or rotate geometry. Use temporary axes, points, or create a reference point to define the target location. That way you control how the origin will relate to existing features. Either type exact numeric offsets in the Property Manager for repeatable results or drag the triad for quick placement. Then confirm the operation and watch how mates and constraints update accordingly. You finish by rebuilding the model and carefully checking all relations, sketches, and mates to ensure nothing broke during the move. If something fails, immediately undo and try moving a created reference sketch or point instead of the global origin. This preserves topology while achieving the same alignment. Make sure to suppress or temporarily disable problematic mates before retrying, and then re-enable them one at a time to identify conflicts. This isolating step often reveals the single mate or relation causing the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.